Hi guys. Are you looking for the best motorcycle dashcam? If you received a new motorcycle dashcam, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best motorcycle dashcams on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Get Number 1. WiFi Motorcycle Dashcam. Link on the description. Number 2. VSYS Motorcycle Dashcam. Link on the description. Number 3. WiFi Motorcycle Dashcam. Link on the description. Number 4. WiFi Motorcycle Dashcam. Link on the description. Number 5. WiFi Motorcycle Dashcam. Link on the description.